Today's episode is brought to you by Elsa's favorite color pink and Anna's favorite object, sparkles. Stay tuned.
Anna, what do you think of this?
Spectacular!
Really? You think so?
Totally! What do you have for me today?
Excellento macchiato! What is a bird's favorite Christmas story?
I have no idea, sister.
The finch who stole Christmas! Oh, that's so funny!
My turn! What do you call a shark that delivers toys at Christmas?
Santa Jaws!
Ready? Let's go!
1, 2, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Ooh, that's such a cool song! I present to you a joke. Where do snowmen keep their money?
Of course, in their purse.
Nope. Snowmen keep their money in a snowbank.
So, no bank? Oh, that's even more funny.
Oh, that it is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What do you call an elf who steals wrapping paper from the rich and gives it to the poor?
A ribbon thief?
No, Anna. We call such a thief a ribbon hood.
That's so lovely.
Let's go and build a snowman, shall we?
Defo, let's totally radically go.
Stay tuned to Toffee TV for more Christmas jokes from Elsa and Anna. Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. See you later.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.